Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your environment and intent, Windows 10 or 11, and whether you need legacy CMD or PowerShell. Once done, press the Windows key to open Start and type CMD or PowerShell to find the app quickly. Make sure to note whether you need admin rights. Some tasks require elevation. If you want the newer terminal, type Windows Terminal instead. These first steps get you to the right app without hunting through menus, saving time. Once you've located the app, open it and run a simple command to verify. Type dir or ipconfig and press enter. If you need elevated privileges, right-click the app and select Run as Administrator. Otherwise, regular mode suffices. To open a prompt directly in any folder, Shift plus right-click inside File Explorer and choose Open PowerShell window here or Open Command window here. Make sure to switch to the desired profile in Windows Terminal if you use multiple shells. To finish, customize access. Right-click the prompt and pin to taskbar or start so you open it instantly next time. If command prompt seems missing, run sfc/scano in PowerShell or re-enable legacy features in optional features. This repairs corrupted system components. If search won't elevate, type the app name, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to run as administrator. If problems persist, reboot and try again. Many permission issues clear after a restart.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.